Hey guys, we are here to show you how to use Libby by Overdrive. That is an app to use for e-reading, audiobooks. So we're going to show you how to download the app and kind of guide you through it so you know and are comfortable with using the app. So let's get started. What you're going to need is your device, whether you're going to use your tablet, your phone, whatever electronic device you're going to use, go ahead and grab that. You're also going to need your library card. So go grab those things and we'll get started. If you don't have a library card, come to the library, we'll get you set up. Not an issue. Bring your proof of address for Wakulla County and you can get a library card. So let's get started. You need to get your tablet uploaded and we are going to download the app. You're going to need your app store. So if you have a Samsung device, that will be your Google Play Store. If you have an iPhone or an Apple device, that is iTunes. If you have a Kindle, you're going to use the Amazon App Store. And a Microsoft is the Microsoft Store. So go ahead and let's open it. This one is the Microsoft Store. We're going to open it. Okay, this is what the App Store looks like. Every one of them from the different devices are different and vary slightly. You're going to look for the search bar. And in the search bar, we're going to type Libby, L-I-B-B-Y. And you'll see this. It is purple with a little teal book. You're going to click and it is free. So click it. And you're going to click install. And this does take a minute to download, but like all good things, they come to those who wait. This is a really good app and software to use for reading, so you will not be disappointed. Almost there. Okay, and then you will see launch. Go ahead and click that. Welcome. Thousands of public libraries offer ebooks and audiobooks for free in Libby. Let me ask you a few questions to guide you to your library. First question, do you have a library card? If you have a library card, great. Click yes. Okay. Now, these have different options. You'll read to whichever suits your needs. But we're going to go to search for a library. And your library is Wakulla County Public Library. Okay, and it says Wilderness Coast Public Libraries. That is what it's supposed to say in Wakulla County. Our address, click on that one right there, because we are shared with Jefferson and Franklin County. Okay, now you are going to need your library card. So go ahead and grab that. We're going to enter our account details. So you are going to need to put in your entire library card number, and that's the one underneath the barcode. So go ahead and start typing that in the box. Click next. And this is the question we get asked probably the most. What is my PIN? And it is the last four of your library card number. Sign in. Perfect. Now, next. Okay, this is what Libby is going to look like for you on your device. So we can search, we're going to search preferences so you can see different things. You can go format, and you have books or audiobooks, language, English, Spanish, French, Swedish, audience, juvenile, young adult, general content, mature content. Capability. We are using Libby, but you can also use this with your Kindle. Availability, everything. This makes a difference. So if you're willing to wait for a book that somebody else is reading or listening to, click everything. If you want something right now, available now is what you're going to want to click. And then sort by relevance, popularity, date added, release date, author, and title. So you can really narrow down what you're looking for in this to make it really work for you. Apply preferences. Okay. Now we're going to choose a book so you know what an actual book looks like. Okay, we chose this book just so you can get a feel for it. And it gives you the general description of the book, when it was released, all the little information you need to know on it. So we're going to click borrow. It shows your library card, the book, and you want to press borrow. And that it is due. It is due 14 days. You have 14 days. It goes back automatically. No fines, no nothing. You don't finish reading it. You can extend it, but it'll go back in 14 days. Open book. We are choosing Libby. So it does download to your device. So you don't have to have data or be using Wi-Fi to read your book once it is downloaded. And it'll stay downloaded for the 14 days and then go back. So this is what the print looks like on your book. But you can also change that up here in this little circle. Oh, these lines. And go into reading settings. You can change the text scale to make it bigger or smaller. You can really get it all the way up to large print if that's what you're looking for. You can change the lighting of the page, bright, sepia, or dark. This one's really good if you're reading at night in bed and you don't want to disturb kids or significant others. You can change the font, and they have just generic fonts that you can click through, and whichever you are liking more, you can choose those. So this is our book, and now we're going to show you how to return the book. Go to our shelf, manage loan, and you are going to return early. And return. Perfect. Okay, now we're going to find our next read. And this time we're going to show you how to check out an audiobook. Go to audiobooks from our preferences. Okay. Let's find Explorer. Okay. We're choosing Llama Llama Loves to Read. So we even have kids' books on here. So we're going to click borrow. Borrow. Open audiobook, and then there you go. You just press play, and the same thing.
Listening Library presents
Go.
Llama Llama Loves to Read.
So you can listen to those books, and this book, even as short as it is, it'll stay on your account for 14 days. So once you're finished with a book, it is just common courtesy and really nice to return it once you're done, so other people have the privilege to read that book also. So we're going to go and go back to our shelf, manage loan, return early, return. Perfect. Yeah. We're going to go back and say we're really wanting a certain book, but we're going to have to wait for it. We're going to show you how to put it on hold, so once it comes available, it automatically comes to you. And you will get an email notification when the book is ready for you. Okay, Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone. Somebody's reading it, so we're going to place a hold on it. So right above place sample, you'd place a hold. Place hold. So that is what we have. Now we have a hold shelf. So we're going to go to shelf, holds. So we have 2 weeks to wait for this book. So in 2 weeks, you're going to get an email saying your book is ready to listen to, and it'll already be on your shelf, ready to go. So there you go. So now we can manage our hold, cancel hold, cancel. There you go. So that is Libby. If you have any questions, please call the library, whether your card says it's expired or you are having other issues with your card. Call us and we can get that fixed and worked out for you. This is another way to use a library, whether you are ill or you just don't want to be around a bunch of people. You can still read and get the benefits of having a library. Well, thank you for watching the video. I hope you learned a lot. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to call us. That's what we're here for. Bye.